It's me, Kylie. Happy holidays. No matter what you celebrate, I hope you're having a really good time celebrating it. My family has a tradition where we put up a Christmas tree. I wanted to show you some of the ornaments that we put on our tree. Let's see. Oh, this one's new this year. French fries, because Dax loves French fries. And to be honest, I do too. Oh, donuts, another food we really love to share together on special occasions. Oh, look up here. It says 2018, because that's the year Dax was born, and there's a picture of him around his very first Christmas. So cute! You also might have noticed that this year we have a special edition. We have a marble run in our Christmas tree. Do you want to try it? Okay, cool. Let's pick a marble. Ooh, this one's awesome. Cool. All right, it starts up here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So fun. My favorite part of the marble run is when it hits this bell ornament and adds a little holiday cheer. Let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, here's an ornament where Dax painted a solar system last year. Oh, and this one. This is a solar system ornament that we made together. If you want to check out that video, search for Kylee Makes Planet Ornaments. You know, this was a whole year ago, and it's really cool, but it's a new year. And I have a new idea for new planet ornaments. Should we make some? All right, let's go to the studio, make some ornaments, come back down here, hang them on the tree, and we can have a solar system marble race. You want to? To the studio! Welcome to the studio. I am so excited to make these felt solar system ornaments with you. The first thing, if you want to follow my pattern, is to get my pattern. Go to KylieMakesIt.com/kids and you'll see it right there. Print those off and then you have all the pieces you're gonna need to sew up this project. If you don't wanna do this and you wanna do your own thing, you know I'm all about creativity. Whenever we're making crafts together, you can be as creative as you want. Don't think that you need to make them exactly how I make them or even with the exact same things. I love giving you ideas that you can take and make however you want. Today we are sewing, which is something we haven't ever done on the Kylee Makes It channel before. I'm so excited. I'm going to be using these pieces of felt and a sewing needle. Now, sewing needles are sharp and they are small. So if you're not quite ready to use a sewing needle yet, there's another amazing way you can do this project. Print out your patterns and just get out some paper. Then you can trace the shapes, cut them out of whatever design paper you want, glue them down, and then you can have your grown-up, or you could do it too, punch some holes all the way around the edge of your ornament, and you can use a running stitch, more on that later, to sew all the way around the edge for a cool ornament you can hang on a tree or from your ceiling or from a mobile, whatever your creative mind can come up with. First things first, I printed out all my patterns. The next thing I need to do is cut them out. Let's start with Uranus. All cut out. You'll see on my patterns that there's the name of the planet that the piece belongs to and a color. This will be the color felt or paper or whatever you're using that I used for that planet. If you're using my patterns and felt, one 9x12 sheet of felt of each of these colors will be plenty to make these amazing ornaments. Here's the colors I used. Dark gray, light gray, white, red, dark yellow or light orange, yellow, light brown, dark brown, light blue, bright blue, dark blue, and green. I'm going to take each pattern piece and trace it onto my fabric or paper. So I'm just going to hold it with one hand and use a marker to trace all around the edge. Do this for each piece of your patterns on the color felt that it says on each piece. Once you get all of those pieces traced, and you might need a grown-up to help with that part, it's time to cut them out. If you need a grown-up's help with this part too, that's awesome. You guys can talk about planets while your grown-up cuts. Ta-da! All of these pattern pieces have been cut out, traced, cut out again, and now it's time to start actually making these felt ornaments. They're gonna look incredible. A little trick that I'm doing is I'm gonna actually glue the pattern pieces onto the front piece of my planet before I sew it. This will just help keep everything straight and everything together so you don't have to hold it and sew it and it'll fall and it'll be crazy, blah, blah, blah. So I'm just using hot glue. You can skip this part or use regular glue if you want to use something besides hot glue, because hot glue is, you know, hot. There's two ends to a sewing needle. There's an end that has an eye. No, not that kind of eye, just a little hole. This is where your thread goes. And then there's an end that's pretty sharp. These are easy to lose and would really hurt if it got stuck in your foot or something. So I always make a special place for my sewing needle. This is the place that it lives whenever I'm not using it. Today, it's right here. And I'm just gonna stick it in my fabric anytime I'm not using it today so that I don't lose it, and I always know where it is. The first part of sewing is to thread your needle. That means we're gonna take whatever thread we're using and we're going to string it through the eye of our needle. This can be so tricky, especially as your needle gets smaller and smaller. Don't forget, you can always ask a grown-up for help after you try a couple times. I'm gonna double my thread, so I'm going to run the string all the way to the bottom. Now I have two pieces of string at the end that I need to tie off. I'm gonna loop it around my finger just like that. And then I'm gonna roll it up. Roll, 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 and pull. This will make a little knot at the end. The stitch I'm gonna teach you and that we're going to use today is called a running stitch. You're gonna start by putting your needle into your felt. Pull, 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 pull. You're just going to move a little bit forward, stick in your needle, pull it out. Move a little bit forward, stick in your needle, pull it out, just like that. When we reach the end of our stitches, we run out of thread or want to change color, we need to tie it off so that the thread doesn't immediately come out. I'm going to tie a double knot, which means I'm going to tie it twice. Ta-da! We sewed a running stitch. Ready to get sewing these planets? Let's do it. I'm gonna add stitches around each felt piece that I've added to the front of each planet. Stitching is done on the front of my planet. So I have the design side and the back. Now's the time where we're gonna sew these together. I'm gonna sew all the way around the edge of both of them until there's about an 1.5 inches left of an opening. All right, I stitched all the way around except for this little opening that I left in the top. See it? We made a little planet pocket, and now I'm gonna fill it up with a polyester filling. You can use whatever kind of stuffing you would like. Kind of looks like a cloud, doesn't it? Jupiter in the clouds. Okay, not what we're doing, not what we're doing. Break off a little bit of stuffing and just stuff it in. That's why it's called stuffing. If you want your planet to be an ornament, you can take a little piece of ribbon, double it, tie it in a knot at the ends, tuck that knot right inside that last little gap, and then just sew it right in with those final stitches. And you have a felt planet ornament hand sewn by you. I love it. Let's make some more. Planet ornaments are done and they are amazing. I can't wait to hang them on our tree and do another marble race. Let's go. Let's go. Ready? Me too. Okay, let's make some room. We got new ornaments, new year. I'll put these on the other side of the tree later. I think that's enough room. Sun. Mercury. Venus. Earth. Mars. We'll put on this little limb coming out of the marble run. Jupiter. Saturn. Uranus. And last but not least, Neptune. Neptune, you're not a marble, you're an ornament. Don't worry, we'll get you a marble. Everything's gonna be fine. I think this looks amazing. Oh, we can't forget, we were gonna do a solar system marble race. Have you ever raced marbles before? You have? Awesome. Okay, well, I like to kind of pick marbles that look like each part of the solar system. So let's see. Yellow sun. We'll get this black one with kind of white little spots for Mercury. We need a yellow. We need a bright yellow. Ooh, yeah. Venus. Earth should probably be green with a little bit of blue. Perfect. Mars, red. This looks like a great Jupiter. Saturn, yeah, that's ringy. Uranus and Neptune, that dark blue with the white swirls. All right, ready to race? They are. Ready? They are. Okay, who do you think is gonna win? 1, 2, 3! Oh, it was Jupiter. Great job, Jupiter. High red spot. Thank you so much for making these with me. I had so much fun. If you want to make more things with me, let's do it. Kylee, Kylee Makes It. That's me. I'll see you next time.